everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to share healing cold and cough through ginger and honey. It is a very old, tried and tested method. My mother used to use it when I was a kid, and now I am using it with my daughter. So let's get started. What you need to have is a ginger and honey. Honey and ginger have a lot of medicinal properties. Ginger is known for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and so is honey. Honey is full on antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, so you can use any honey for that matter. But I prefer to use Manuka honey because Manuka honey has other added benefits as well. I will talk about Manuka honey in my next video. So let's concentrate on ginger and any honey which you can use for this method. So take the ginger, it's about like 2-inch ginger with the skin on. I prefer to have a skin on, but if you want to take the skin out, you can. Just wash it nicely under the running water and put into mortar and pestle and just pound it. Pound it really nicely so that it is nicely squashed, and then you remove something like this. It looks with the squashed ginger, as I already have it in my mortar and pestle, and then you squeeze the juice and keep it in a separate bowl. Now I already have the ginger juice in my bowl, and you just need to mix a little bit of honey to the ginger juice and drink it. So for adults the measurements will be so the ginger juice which I have with me is 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to put just a half teaspoon and mix it into the ginger juice. So you can give this measurement of half teaspoon of honey mixed to 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix it nicely and drink it. So I'm going to drink it right now. Well, it's a little strong and flavor, but it feels really nice and warm in the throat. So please do not drink water after drinking ginger and honey concoction. So this is for the adults. Now moving to the kids. Now kids who are between 7 and 12, you can actually use 1 to 2 tablespoon of honey and mix to 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix it nicely and give it to the kids. But if you have kids younger than 7 years of age, I remember my time when my daughter was 2 years of age. That's when I started giving her this concoction of ginger juice and honey. I would just give her half a teaspoon of ginger juice mixed with 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix it nicely and give it to her. Of course, I still remember she would actually ask for more honey because for her the flavor was so strong. So just experiment with your child and see what works well for him or her. So this is the remedy to use when you're having cold and cough. It really works better when you're having the symptoms of cold and cough. You can give this concoction to your child or to your family. It really has a lot of benefits and really helps to heal the symptoms quickly. So just to wrap up, 1 tablespoon of ginger mixed with half a teaspoon of honey. Mix it well, give it to the adults. Kids 7 to 12, 1 tablespoon of ginger mixed with 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. Give it to the kids. Children under the age of 7, half a teaspoon of ginger juice mixed with 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or even more. Mix it well and give it to your kid. That's what it is. That's what in this video I was gonna share with all of you. I hope you like the video and find it informative. If you have any questions, please write me in. I would love to answer it. But please do experiment and let me know how it worked for you and for your family. Thank you so much, and keep watching and keep supporting. Take care. Bye. Namaste.